was a lot of fun working with JANUS Displays, who developed some content for the Mosaic display here at Infocomm. We actually exported a mask file, a transparent PNG, from the Mosaic software that allowed JANUS to build content to fit the tile array. And it was really a digital signage application because they merged art and video and text elements for a really nice result that explains what Mosaic is. So that's any developer can create content based on the mask that Mosaic can generate. It's a lot of fun to see the result.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Davis with Planar Systems, and we're here at Infocomm 2013. I'm here with Steve Freeman from JANUS Displays by Morrow Technologies. Welcome, Steve.
Hi, Jennifer. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks so much for coming to spend some time to talk about some of the trends in the industry and some of the things that you're seeing. Tell me a little bit more about JANUS Displays.
Perfect. Well, we've been in business in the electronic and digital signage business now for 29 years, which is quite the statement, since most people think digital signage has only been around for a few years. But JANUS Displays, we are a true one-stop shop for everything that's needed for a full digital signage system. Our true specialization comes with the software and content services that we provide, but in many of our projects we're also providing certain hardware components, the media players, even decorative enclosures, so that the systems are blending with the decor of certain environments and so forth. So when needed, we're a true one-stop shop for folks.
Oh, that's fantastic. And so you have an opportunity to work with clients of all different verticals and all different kinds of applications. Maybe you can tell us about some of the trends that you're seeing. What are some of the things that clients are asking for more often maybe than they have in the past that indicates, you know, some new trends in the marketplace?
Yeah, without question. Well, the one that comes to mind immediately is the increase in the interactivity that clients are looking for. The expectation that as a society we've developed having technology in our hands and information at our fingertips, well, that is certainly transferred over into the world of digital displays as well. So it's interesting as I travel the world and looking at displays from ourselves and other companies, how many people will walk up immediately to a screen and start touching it regardless if they know it's a touch screen or not. So our clients are realizing that, and they're wanting to implement those technologies that put that information at their customers' fingertips. So that would be trend number one. The trend that goes along with that is the expectation for powerful content that comes after that interactivity develops. So it's not simply providing the touch screen, it's what comes through that experience. So the detailed information, the quality of the information that's being accessed, and that's when I refer to the specialization that we have with content creation services. That's really a differentiator for us compared to a lot of our competition. So those would probably be the top couple.
So you can actually create that whole experience from that first point of engagement all the way through to providing the information or getting them to engage on social mobile platforms and some of the other things that undoubtedly are becoming more popular.
Absolutely, absolutely, without question. And it's interesting you mentioned the social and mobile platforms. It's been an interesting experience from my perspective to see how we have these screens that continually get bigger and bigger and bigger, and you're showing a 2x2 touch wall that's just an amazing experience for someone who's standing in front of that wall. But then the guests will walk away from that 2x2 wall and they'll want to have similar information at their fingertips in their hand as well. So that's been, especially over the last 12 to 18 months, another trend that's developed is having the continuity in content between what's on the public space, the larger displays, and having that same content information available on a handheld, on a mobile basis as well. So it's kind of an interesting juxtaposition, if you will.
Well, it's a great combination of technologies,
Absolutely.
You know, place-based and then taking those marketing messages with you as well.
And then there's that continuity that's going to transfer across all the different media types, be it the digital signage that's in the public space, the mobile applications, the web experience, websites that are branded specifically. So that continuity of content is what we're seeing as a request from more and more customers.
Absolutely, what a great opportunity for you.
Absolutely.
So we've worked together on a variety of projects, interactivity obviously being one of them. You also created some amazing content for the Planer Mosaic. Architectural display, so something that's in a non-traditional, non-rectangular arrangement. And maybe you can talk a little bit about the process of envisioning that and how your designers and creative team responded to the challenge.
Well, our design team welcomed this opportunity with open arms. I spent quite a bit of time talking with our creative director and the senior designer who created that 4K video specifically. And it was so much out of the norm of what they work on with traditional displays, a singular display that's in the lobby of a property versus this fantastically creative mosaic arrangement. It was just a designer's dream come true, right?
That's great.
But along with that came some specific challenges. In the realm of 4K, and this was an education for myself because it is obviously new technology, in the realm of 4K, the requirements to enable those 4K capabilities, it's a significant difference compared to if we were creating content for a single, 55-inch screen that's just one screen. So additional hardware processing speed requirements from the hardware components, the software, the specific codecs, and there was a lot of technical jargon that they were using, and I'm not going to pretend to understand all of it, but in a nutshell, it was a whole new world that they recognized the challenge and stepped up quickly, and I think met the expectation, I'm hoping, of what Planar was envisioning for this, and it's something that every single person on our design team has a feather in their cap now, and they're very proud to have worked on this, because fact is, there's not many designers in this world that can say they've worked on a true 4K project yet. So we want to thank you for the opportunity to work with you on that. So it's been a pleasure.
Oh, our pleasure. And the combination, as you said, of 4K technology, which is a growing trend, and this more architectural implementation of displays was a great showcase for what you bring to these kind of projects, where that consultative and deep technical skills, joins up with the creative.
Absolutely, and I'm looking forward personally with my client base to going out and now promoting this even more so than what I was before, because I have just simply a better understanding, a deeper understanding of what's involved, the capabilities, the visual impact is just amazing. There's no other technology that can compete with it. So.
Oh, that's great. Well, thanks so much for spending time with us
pleasure.
today here at Infocomm. And again, this is Jennifer Davis at the Planar booth at Infocomm 2013, here with Steve Freeman. To find out more about Planar and the products that we make, go to planar.com.